Hindi lahat ng bagay nadadaan sa sigawan. And ganyan din ang nangyayari kapag may live events, may broadcast, or may esports tournament tayo na nire-run. Kaya naman, isa sa mga key factors for a successful event or a successful broadcast is having intercoms. And this is the Saramonic We Talk 9, and we had the pleasure and privilege to broadcast the recently concluded 2025 National AAP Esports Championship, yung round 3 for their on-site endurance race. And it's a major milestone for me and the startup production company that we are building. Sobrang laking tulong ng intercoms kasi doon sa team namin, we have to communicate with the marshals who are running the race. We have to communicate syempre, dun sa graphics, kasama na rin yung ating technical director overall, and we even had a roving camera. So, kailangan talaga clear, consistent, and reliable yung ating communication. Sobrang daling gamitin ng Saramonic WeTalk 9, and meron na siya isang master headset. You can see here, ito yung may orange, and if you turn this on, and you turn on and pair all the other headsets, you can have seamless communication for up to 8 people. Yes, 8 people. Each headset has their own volume knob, so depende na sa user kung gaano kalakas or kahina yung gusto niyang marinig. Very clear ang microphone and one ear lang siya because alam naman natin may mga events na you have to still hear kung anong nangyayari sa background. Gone are the days nagagamit tayo nitong walkie-talkie. Now, it serves its own purpose. However, what I don't like about it is it's something you have to touch and hold when you operate it, which is not the case for an intercom like this. Because all you need to do is wear it and forget about it. Sobrang handy niya sa ginawa nating prod kasi yung roving camera natin, of course, nakahawak siya sa gimbal with 2 hands. We also have the technical director operating the switches and calling the shots. And of course, yung marshals natin have to write things, have to note things, have to pass things around. So everyone had free use of their hands. So if you want clearer and better communications, check out the Saramonic WeTalk 9. I personally can't imagine running a prod without using this kit. Follow along as I share more information about how we run our broadcasts dito lang sa ating channel. See you around. God bless.